Hey, so I've seen this video on TikTok by a user called Onyx. And I thought it was really cool, so I decided to make it myself. And it's pretty easy, so I thought I would show other people how to do it, because I know I saw some people kind of asking how it was done. So first you want to download Lens Studio. It is for PC or Mac. I'm currently running it on a PC, but I've done the exact same thing on a Mac, and it's no different. So you want to download Lens Studio. And then you want to click templates, and you want to look for the one that is where is it? Marker. You want to look for marker because it does almost all of the work for you. So first you want to open marker. Okay, so the first step before you do literally anything is click mark the monster, right click it and delete it. You do not want that. It's not fun. Okay, so I have actually already created a folder called Snapchat that has everything that I need in it. Oops, of course, everything closes. Okay. So this has everything that I need in it. It has a high resolution scan of the thing that I'm going to be tracking. Actually, I'm not tracking this, but this is high resolution scan that I'm going to be using. It has an image that I made of the map that I'm going to be tracking onto it. It's pretty high resolution. You'll see here that I had to crop it. That's just because this map where I live, it's massive. And the bigger the map, the worse the effect is. You really want a small, dense map. So if you're in a large city with like a metro, this would work really, really well. I'm in a kind of like more urban-y area where there's hundreds of stops. So yeah, but it still works. I've got the entire like region that I live in, so works good enough for me. Okay, I also have, this is the original that I like used as a reference. You don't need that. This is a picture that I took of the thing that I'm going to be tracking, and this is what I'm actually going to be tracking. This, not the high resolution scan. For some reason, this image works better. I think it might be because it's a JPEG, but I'm not sure. But this seems to just give me better results than the high resolution scan, whatever reason. Now these are one a photo of the thing that I'm going to be tracking. That's just used to test if the tracking is working. And then another one is a video, which I'm going to drag over here so you can see. It's a video. Actually, I've like not been paying attention if anything is in frame. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so this is a video that I'm also going to be using to test if everything's working. And I'm actually going to do that now. So first, over here, you'll see image marker. Over here, this is like an example of what the app will look like and what the effect is going to be. But you can see here, it's already got kind of like a symbol on it that isn't what we're going to be tracking. So you want to click this image marker drop down. I'm going to click this video and this second button here and click from files. And now I'm going to track down that video that I made. Open. Scroll all the way up to the top, click it, and you'll see that the video is there. It's hidden behind this searching for image, but it's the video that is playing. Now, you don't need to do this. It will work perfectly fine without it. This is just to check that what you're doing is working and that everything's going right. So to actually start tracking something, you want to click this up here that says image marker edit me. Click that and click. Okay, so I'm going to do that again because I kind of messed it up. So I'm going to click image marker, edit me, and click the marker tracking. Click that. Click the plus. Make sure you click image marker, not snapcode marker, image marker. And then click the image that you want to track. So this is the photo that I took. Open. It should come up there. Okay. And you'll see that the searching for image went away because it's found it. It's currently tracking this go-card. It's not tracking anything onto it. So we're pretty much all the way there. What I'm going to do now. So now is where I'm going to use the high resolution scan. Just drag that in. It will copy in. Super easy like that. Now you want to click this orthographic camera. Click magnifying hint edit me. Your screen will change. That's fine. This is just like a sample screen. You want to click image marker source here. Click that, and then I'm going to click the high resolution scan. Now you'll see nothing has changed here, but when I change to like a photo of something else, you'll see it has the image of the go card there saying that it's scanning for it, rather than just the random sample image it comes with. I'm going to switch back to the video just so we can keep like checking up on it. Now, in objects, you want to click plus, type in image, and click image object. It has to be image object. It's actually nested somewhere weird, so I'm going to drag that down to the bottom just for now. Now you want to click it, go texture, click that, press the plus, go from files, and then now I'm going to open up the map that I made and link that to this image object. For some reason, it's placed it over randomly in random space, so I'm going to change all these coordinates back to 0. Okay, I'm going to drag the image object into the image marker, just to nest it in there. Now you can see for some reason it really likes to keep changing these settings, so I'm going to change these back to 0. And there you go. You can see that it's tracking the map onto the go card. Now to get it more like the video, I'm going to change the Z value to 10, just so it's kind of floating up above it a little bit. And now the filter's done. That's literally everything. You can click preview in Snapchat. It will come up with a Snapchat code that you just scan in the app, and it will link your phone to this. And then you can send it to your phone to test it and point it at your, like, whatever card that you're using, and it will work fine. You can see that's working. And once you're done, you can click publish lens. It will ask you to log in to Snapchat. But then once you're done, actually before that, you want to change the name. Marker templates, like, I'm going to call it go card map because this is a go card player. And then publish lens. And then here you can change the tags. You can go like map AR. Yeah, it doesn't work like at map translate go card. Like just tags like that. Lens preview is like images of what the lens looks like, so people can see what it looks like before downloading it and before playing around with it. That's not really necessary if you're just using this for yourself or to your friends. And then you can click submit. I'm not going to do that now because I've already submitted something exactly like this. When you do click submit, it will take about 5 to 10 minutes for Snapchat to look at it and to determine that it is safe. There's nothing like that breaks Snapchat rules in it. And then you'll get an email saying that it's public. And you can go, it will give you like a snap code that you can send to people to scan, or it will give you a link that you can just send directly to people to scan to get the filter, and it'll work. And this works for anything, not just like transportation cards. You can track anything that's sort of unique and easy. So obviously not something organic. It has to be something printed, not an organic object. But yeah,